We back. What up, YouTube? Come along with me to get a new grinder. Let's get it. So I get a lot of questions about where do I get my grinder from. Now there's a few options you have about getting your grinder. Just depends on where you get the handheld part from, right? Again, location. If you're in an area where you can get to maybe a Walmart like I'm currently at right now, then maybe that's your best bet. Okay, now there's a lot of options online and there's a lot of options in person. Because of time wise, I decided to go to Walmart. This is where I'll be getting my grinder from, right? Boom, boom, boom. And I'm gonna go with, I want that one too thin. We're gonna go with two of these actually. I'm gonna get two of them. So we're gonna leave with two grinders and my hand tool. Okay, hand tool about $5, each grinder about $2.50 or so. Great purchases. Yes, you can get paint here. I just don't get paint here. Okay, again, it depends on your location. If you can only get a certain type of paint at a certain location, you gotta work with what you got. All right, so no, I don't get paint here, but you can. Let's get to the curbing. I want to be very clear. You do not need a grinder to paint curbs. Okay, if you do have a grinder, it makes things look a lot better. Okay, but if you don't have the grinder, you have to work with what you got. All right, as you can tell here, it's all finished, good looking. All right, you got to work with what you got and then go from there. These are the type of curbs that I provide. Now, if this is too much for you, or it's not for you just yet, you can always just start off with the basic curbs and then go from there. Now, this is an example of a basic curb that I provide. Everyone's curb is different when it comes to previous curbs being there and removing the curb and redoing it, and just shape in general. They're all different, so you got to handle them differently based off what you get. I provide an online master course where I show you from start to finish how to start your own personal curb painting business from start to finish. I show you everything from getting the sale, from the curbing, from social media, everything. Okay, there's a process to it, and I've learned that process. If this is something that would interest you and you like to start your own personal curb painting business, click the link in my bio. I show you everything you need to know. Nice job. If you made it this far, please give me a W in the chat. I want to hear from you. Sub up to the channel. It's completely free. I post content on a daily basis, okay? A lot of people ask me, how do I make the money that I make with just doing what I do? And it's not what I do, it's how I do it. YouTube has done numbers for me, okay? YouTube has brought me many customers, and because of that, I'm able to provide the service that I'm able to provide, which is curb painting, coaching, and just being a content creator. I made my first $1,000 by using YouTube with the help of vidIQ. If you don't know what vidIQ is, I'll drop my link below and you can click the link and get yourself signed up. But vidIQ helped propel my channel and gave it a boost because I was behind the 8 ball. I didn't start making consistent content until I was probably 28, 29. Okay, so vidIQ helped me get a jump start and really just gave me the customers that I needed to make the $1,000 minimum of daily that I make. Okay, and a lot of people think I'm making a lot of money from just reaching out to people, and it's not that way. They're reaching out to me through YouTube, and they're getting contacted with me based off the videos that they're seeing on social media. By using vidIQ, I'm able to enhance my titles, my video quality, my tags, my shorts, my lives, everything. Okay, there's 2 reasons why I'm able to make the money that I make. Okay, one is YouTube, and 2 is because I'm able just to be me, which that's what you're able to do. Just be you. If you just be you and be consistent about posting it, YouTube is going to take care of you. But if you use vidIQ as well, not only is YouTube going to take care of you, you're going to reap benefits early. So I always strongly recommend vidIQ. It's one of the best AI technology softwares I've ever used. Definitely similar to ChatGPT, but way better in my opinion when you're talking about YouTube, because vidIQ is not only in YouTube as a whole, but it also knows all your numbers from your channel. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I catch you in the next one. Peace!